In the next set of videos, we'll be dealing with trigonometry, or the math involving angles and sides in triangles. Specifically right now, we'll only be looking at right triangles, or triangles that have 90 degrees in them. Let's take a look at the types of problems we'll be able to solve by the end of these modules. This example comes from plumbing. Looking at the diagram above, the pipe needed to travel both a vertical distance and a horizontal distance. The horizontal distance is known as the advance, and the offset is the change in the vertical distance. Notice that these meet at a right angle. The travel is the actual length of the pipe. When we have 45-degree fittings, the advance and offset distances will be the same. So, let's say you have a situation where the advance and offset are both 15 inches. Are you able to figure out the travel of the pipe? Here's another example looking at roofing. In this case, the total rise of a roof is 1.5 meters, and the run of the roof is 6 meters. Are you able to figure out the rafter length to one decimal place? The final example is another roofing example as well. When we talk about roof pitch, we normally talk about the number of inches a roof rises vertically for every 12 inches it extends horizontally. So a 5/12 pitch rises 5 inches for every 12 inches of horizontal distance. If this is the case, can you figure out the angle of pitch for a 5/12 roof? All of these examples are types of problems you'll be able to solve after going through the next modules.